Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, how to not mention someone place on Instagram. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Step 1, open Instagram account and click your profile, click setting and activity and click tags and mention. Okay, after click tag and mention, who can mention you. From here you can change your setting. For example, allow mention from everyone, allow mention from people follow you. For example, don't allow mention. You can choose according to your personal opinion. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on Tech.